programming this key, the customer brought the spare key for me to program also. So now I'm waiting for the 10-minute wait to grant access, to gain access to program the other key that the customer brought. It is almost done and access granted. So now what I'll do is I'll click OK, then program additional ignition key. So insist the ignition on, and it is already on. Press OK, and it will tell me it has been programmed successfully. Okay, program. Do you want to program any other key? No. Yes. So go back, switch off the ignition so for it to move from the the parts mode, and now you can see the security light is off. So we'll diagnose the whole system. So I've programmed this key also already, and I have programmed the key in it. So now it's having 2 keys. So what I'll do now is I'll scan the whole system. Then after this I'll do VIN mismatch. I'll do the VIN mismatch and get the vehicle to start running. So now everything, so let's check the report, and you can see anti-theft. I'll erase everything, and the VIN mismatch in the ABS, quick erase. So anytime you replace a control module, on Ford, you have to program it, and you have to do the VIN mismatch in the ABS system. The VIN mismatch in the ABS system. So now that I'm done programming the key, now let me start the vehicle and turn it on, and the ABS will come on. You can see the vehicle is running, and you can see the ABS is on because of the VIN mismatch. So I'll write the VIN to the vehicle, and let me try. This is the other key. Let me try this key also, and it's still running, and the ABS light is on. So now what I'll do is I'll do the VIN mismatch. So I'll go back. Let me rescan the vehicle, and you see that the VIN mismatch will come. Although it has been erased, it will come up again. So now you can see the ABS is having 140 in it, which is the VIN mismatch. So what I have to do is I have to write the VIN of this vehicle. So with autel, when you press on the VIN for long, it will copy the VIN. So go back and go back. The moment I do the VIN mismatch, it will go off, and go back and go to programming module. You can see now I'm a programmable module, then the ABS. To turn the key off, press OK. So this is the VIN. This is the VIN in the ABS. VIN in the ABS module. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. You want to change that VIN. Yes, this is the correct VIN that we want. So install new module. Switch ignition on. Okay, so now you can see they've given me this one to enter the as-built data. So when you go to as-built, you calculate, you see this number 7760-11. so let me go to Chrome, and I have the as-built data for it already. So you can see for that same VIN, which is 4023, So what I'll do now is I'll take a picture of the whole thing, then enter it gradually, because I can't copy. Okay, let me try and copy it here. Okay, copy. Let me see how best it will work for me. No, I can't paste it here. To copy it there I can do, but I can't paste it here. That's one thing I can do. So now so I took a picture of it, then I'll go to the vehicle, then I'll enter the numbers as I see it. So when I come here, you can see 76011. Then I'll enter the numbers, which is 3146 3146 3146, then 4D 4555 C7. Then the moment you finish, if it is correct, it will allow you to move to the next stage. So you can see now the next stage. So I'll enter it 6 times because it's up to 6. I'll erase all the F's, then move to the 2, which is 3, which is, so after entering the code, press enter, then it goes to the next one, the third one, which is, when you look here you can see it, which is 55. So this is the third one. Then okay, then go to the fourth one. You see the fourth one, the number 4. This is what I entered, the number 4. So I entered the whole figures, and now enter, then okay, then it's left with the last 2. So from the 5th one to the last 5th one also, then you go okay, then the 6th one, which is the last one, which is 000000000000000. Then you erase the last 2 numbers, which is 6E. So the moment you are done, you can see the ABS light is on. So the moment I press enter, then okay, you can see the ABS light is flashing and it will go off soon. So it tells me to shut it off, then press okay, turn it back on, and the ABS light will come on and go off. So now the ABS light is off, configuration complete, and the vehicle starts and the ABS light is off, the airbag light is off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Scan the vehicle and you see that there is no fault in the ABS. There is no fault in the ABS in it, and the only fault you are seeing now is which is in the engine control unit. That means the VIN mismatch has been dealt with. So report and check why the fault. Okay, generator circuits. Okay, so the generator is having an issue in less than 2 keys. Erase everything. Thank you for watching.